Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the screw securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Find the wireless module. Remove the screw that secures the wireless card bracket. Lift the wireless card bracket off. Disconnect the antenna cables from the connectors on the wireless card. Slide and remove the wireless card from the slot. To reinstall the wireless module, slide the wireless card at an angle into the wireless card slot. Connect the antenna cables to the connectors on the wireless card. Place the wireless card bracket on the wireless card. Replace the screw that secures the bracket. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.